Good morning, it's Mark here from Turbo Packs. I'm just doing a short video in relation to diesel particulate filters. Now I think I've probably done a few of these in the past, however I need to get this point across yet again. Now if you don't know what it looks like, this is a chunk of DPF. It's usually shaped to look very much like a silencer on a car, and it's filled with a shaped brick, and if you look closely you'll see there's lots of little holes, and you might even see there's soot in there. Now what people don't seem to realise is that DPFs are not meant to collect soot and hang on to it. Now soot is incompletely combusted diesel, so the diesel goes bang in the combustion chamber, some of it doesn't combust properly, and the DPF filter is designed to collect that. Now once it's collected it, there's a process that goes on within the vehicle all the time, which is called regeneration. But regeneration is really just a secondary combustion. So the car has sensors connected to it which detect that it's collected sufficient soot to the point where the car now needs to dispose of it, and this regeneration is literally a secondary combustion. Now it doesn't go bang, but it does involve a huge amount of heat. The soot is then burnt off, and then it's converted back to ash, and it goes out the exhaust. And that process is going round and round and round, so blocking and cleaning and blocking and cleaning. So we get people all the time phoning up saying, hi, my car's got a blocked DPF. I've been to a garage and my DPF, I've been told it's blocked and I need to get it cleaned. And it's the wrong question. Your DPF blocks all the time. The question should be, why is my DPF not being kept clean by the car? The point I'm trying to get across is this: there's lots and lots of people offering all kinds of services out there where people are taking £100, £200 off people to clean the DPF, and then 2 or 3 days later the light comes back on. How do I know this? It's because 85% of our customers are those customers. These are customers who've spent all kinds of money at various different places. You've seen loads of videos we've done where customers have come back. I think we've had one customer that had 6 different garages look at his car over a 6-month period, and we were the only people that fixed it. Now again, I'm not saying we know everything about everything, but however, this is just common sense stuff. So when you do have a DPF problem, as far as cleaning it goes, we've never been beaten. In 3.5 years we've cleaned every DPF that's come in. The main issue is determining why your car isn't cleaning itself. So if you do have a DPF, yes, it might need cleaning, but you first of all have to do a detailed evaluation to find out if all the sensors that control your DPF regeneration system are working. If they are, then you can move on to the cleaning phase, get the car's regeneration system up and running, which can involve quite a bit of driving to check it with live data, and then off you go. Alternatively, if your DPF is blocking because the car isn't cleaning it, and there's a fault with one or more sensors, obviously these then have to be replaced. Then you clean the DPF, then you get the regeneration system up and running. There is no bit of that you can miss out. If you do, you'll end up as one of those customers. You've chucked money down the drain and you're going to go round and round in circles. The other thing to bear in mind, as you probably know, our name is Turbo Packs and we're the largest turbo specialist in the region. The reason we make such a big emphasis on DPFs is DPFs kill turbos. The back pressure that accumulates because of a DPF that isn't regenerating damages irreparably turbochargers. So in other words, the rear seal on the shaft of the turbocharger is damaged by the back pressure, which is another story. So the point is if you continue to drive a vehicle with a DPF problem, you're looking at a 4-figure bill before you even talk to me about DPF. So all I'd say to you is when you have a DPF problem, take on board the fact that before you do anything, you need to have a detailed evaluation completed. It's the only way you will ever get a reliable fix. Give us a call on 0191 386 3422 for the Durham branch, or 0191 731 4233 for our Team Valley branch, and we would be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much. I hope this has helped.